In this tutorial, we will see how to add country boundary dataset in Google Earth Pro. Let's get into it. Open Google Earth Pro. Now we will import world's country boundary dataset. We already have downloaded the world's country boundary dataset. You can download it from internet. The file format is shapefile. Let's drag and drop this file to our view. It says, do you want to apply a style template to the features you ingested? Let's click yes and then create new template. Okay. In the set name field, we will use the country name field and then click OK. Let's name it as country template and save. Now if we turn on this country shape from the places, we can view it. But every country is in white. We need to change the symbology. For that, right click on country shape and go to properties. Click style and color. Click share style button. And that's it. We have the country boundary and also fill color. If we expand this, we can see the individual country name.